Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Python 3.14.4 using Winget CLI on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Go to Windows Search. Type cmd. Click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Type here Winget. Source. Update. Press Enter. The command winget source update in Windows Package Manager is used to refresh the list of available apps from its sources. It updates package information like versions and download links, ensuring you get the latest and accurate results when installing or searching for software. Winget source are updated. Type Winget. Search Python. Press Enter. The command winget search Python in Windows Package Manager is used to find all available Python-related packages from its sources. When you run it, Winget searches its repositories and shows a list of results such as different versions of Python, installers, and related tools. This helps you quickly identify the exact package name you need before installing it with a command like winget install. Scroll up. Here it is Python latest package 3.14.4. Now I am going to copy this ID. Scroll down. Type command here winget. Install. Paste the copied ID. Source. Winget. Press Enter. This command is used to download and install a specific version of Python 3.14 on your system. It tells Winget to install the package named python.python.3.14 from the official Winget repository --source winget. This ensures you get the correct and trusted version of Python directly from the package source without manually downloading it from a website. Now the Python installation is started. Now you can see Python is successfully installed. Type cls. Press Enter. After Python install, I am print Hello World in Python. Go to Windows Search. Type Python here. Click Idle Python. Now you can see the Python version 3.14.4, which I am installing Winget. Type here print bracket open inverted comma hello world inverted comma bracket close. Hit Enter. Now Hello World is printed. This means Python install and works perfectly. So viewers, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.